The Job Estimator app is a great tool to generate professional job estimates, work orders, and invoices in minutes, right on a mobile device, and email them to clients. Look professional and win more jobs. Get paid faster. Job Estimator is fast and easy to use. In less than a minute, generate and send professional estimates, invoices, and work orders. Record expenses for any project and easily add them to invoices. Let me show you how the app works. First, you can add your company information so it could be automatically added to all your estimates, work orders, and invoices. Add clients manually or by uploading an Excel spreadsheet. Click New Estimate and fill in the form. You can use speech-to-text feature if you don't want to type. Now select a client. Add hours and rates. You see that you can select the time or the square feet. Equipment cost. See, the totals are automatically calculated. Now add a signature, preview, and email it to the client. Okay. This is how the estimate looks like. You can share it with your clients. The estimates are stored here in the PDF files. You can record time and expense and store it to use later in invoices. Let me show you how. Hit Record Time, add new entry. Select a client, select Job, select Task, and enter the hours spent and minutes. Hit Go. Now let's record expense. Add item expense. Select Client, select Job, select Item, Quantity, and hit Go. Okay. Now you can add this information to your invoice. Select Invoice, hit New Invoice, select a client, select Job, select a task from the time log. We spent 2 hours on that. Select Item from the Expense part. And Equipment. You can see that the totals were all automatically calculated. Let's add a signature. And the invoice is ready to go. Creating an invoice has never been so easy. This is how the app works. Download and try it for free. The links can be found in the description to this video. The app can be customized to your specific business needs. Just send us your requirements to support@snappy.com.